So let's just have a quick test of everything. So I know we had the pattern in the HTML being used, and again that gives us some ideas here of what we should do. But using the JavaScript here as well, we can also pick it up, and we're going to give back an alert, and then you'll see it in a moment how I'm going to change this alert because I'm not happy with it. But I'll just make sure I refresh my page here. So I'm going to put in proper names for the moment. So Tim Black, and I'm going to put in here. So I'm going to put in nothing first. Click submit, and it's going to tell me false there. Now that alert that I did brought back the test, and it false means that was an incorrect email. And as you can see there, I have nothing in there. So we're going to change that in a moment from false, or we can leave it in a moment for testing purposes. But look at the HTML getting to work now. So that was the JavaScript pop-up box. There's the HTML to let's enter an email. So I'll put in that now, and actually you've got a little IntelliSense box there that come up. I don't know if you spotted it. Let's try again. Please fill in this field. So put in please include an @ in the email address. You know, so it's missing that. Click submit, and you'll see false again come up. It's wrong email. Please include the @ in the email address. It's missing an @ so let's put in an @ now, and let's go click again. That's false again. Please enter a part following the @ so you know, maybe we put in a dot. When we get a dot, it's telling me it's used at the wrong position. Let's try again. If you spot that, so it's used at the wrong position. So that was that's the HTML giving us these errors, and the pop-up box keeps returning false. So put in something here, and this is where I was coming across a big problem in what I was trying to do behind the scenes. So click submit again, false here. Please match the format requested. So if you have an email, you should really have a .com, .co, even though that actual format that you see there, test at example, is considered a correct format. And that's why I was having the biggest difficulty, because I couldn't get over that. But now I came across another problem which I'm going to try and fix, but I don't know if I get fixed. But we test that now. Again, false. We need our dot here now. So dot, something like com. And see, it tells us please match the format request. So click out of that. And yeah, testedexample.com. That should be working okay. Click submit. It tells me true now, because that says, yeah, that's a perfect email. And then that's a little bit of a problem that's popping up. Please match the format requested. So that just happens to pop up again, even though the email is correct. And, you know, I'll try and find a way around that, but I'm not sure if it is. It's not perfect science. Anyway, ready to move on to the next bit. That's the email validated.